Not sure if you've ever tried sending a live Salesforce coding task to a candidate when hiring one. As a recruiter, I used to either send candidates a multiple choice questions test or organize face to face interviews. But, conducting face to face interviews is not just time intensive, but you also need to find an interviewer who is a Salesforce expert. Recently, there's been an innovative improvement in Salesforce assessments. We discovered that with the use of VCP, it's now possible to evaluate Salesforce coding skills just like you would for languages such as Java, JavaScript, Python, or .NET. Yes, it's now possible for Salesforce too. We came across this tool called VCP, which is remarkable in this regard. As you can see, I've created a Salesforce test specifically for developers. This tool allows you to present them with a coding problem. Developers are provided with an online IDE to solve and develop projects in Salesforce. The best part is that these coding tasks aren't lengthy. They typically take about 30 to 40 minutes to complete. This approach significantly enhances the quality of candidates you evaluate. By utilizing Salesforce hands-on tasks, you can filter through talent more effectively and hire better Salesforce developers. Discovering such a tool was truly eye-opening and exciting. This tool can assist you in evaluating Salesforce skills. While Salesforce does offer proprietary tools that are not readily accessible for coding skill evaluation, VCP provides an excellent alternative for this purpose.